Evening, everybody. We're live at 8:06. And we are running dueling minis here for Marty's Spider-Man 700. Gonna roll up to the top here and take our list for Mini A. We got 6 spots here. Winner take all on this one. I'm gonna head over to random here, paste the list in. There we got them 1 through 6. Gonna roll the dice to see how many rounds we're gonna go. We got a tenner, so we are good to roll. Good luck, guys. 2-horse race here in the first one as we get down to business. Good luck. Here we go. Marty takes round 1. Adrian 2. Marty 3 as we go back and forth here. Marty 4. Adrian in the top spot for round 5 and round 6 and round 7. He's on a roll. Adrian takes round 8. Marty in the top spot for our next to last round, round 9. And our winner for the first mini is Adrian. Congrats, Adrian. Here's the verification code. We'll make this legit. EKTAGP is our verification code. There it is. I'm going to copy that over here. And bring her down. There that is. I am done just as the clock turns to 8:08. There it is. Now we're going to set up the second mini. Bear with me here, guys. This is a little different than I'm accustomed to doing. We're going to get down to it. Start our next one for Mini B. Mini B. I'm going to come up and copy the list for Mini B. We got 30 spots that I am going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Top 5 each win spots in the main. Going to paste our list in here. We got 30 entries. Going to roll the dice. Here we go. Let's see how we make out. We got a 9er, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Let's get down to it. Frankie in the top spot there for our first round. Adrian round 2. Joey takes round 3. Adrian round 4. Marty 5 and 6. Marty takes round 7 as well. And round 8. And our winners for the second mini are Marty, Joey, Adrian, and Frankie are our winners for Mini B. FHAXRS is our verification code. There's our winners. I'm going to copy this and bring it on over. I am done with Mini B at 8:10 p.m. As you can see there. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Enjoy.